Financing and mortgage questions on the Arizona real estate exam often test whether you can correctly identify the roles of parties involved in a loan and how loans are structured. Welcome back to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we're walking through Arizona-style exam questions related to financing and mortgages. Let's begin. Question 1. In a typical mortgage loan, who is the borrower? A. Mortgagee, B. Mortgagor, C. Beneficiary, D. Trustee. The correct answer is B. Mortgagor. The mortgagor is the borrower who pledges the property as collateral for the loan. The mortgagee is the lender who provides the loan funds. Remember this shortcut. The G in mortgagor can remind you of gets the loan. Question 2. In a deed of trust used in Arizona, who represents the lender's interest? A. Truster, B. Trustee, C. Beneficiary, D. Borrower. The correct answer is C. Beneficiary. The beneficiary is the lender who benefits from the security instrument. The truster is the borrower. The trustee is a neutral third party who holds legal title until the loan is repaid. Question 3. A buyer purchases a home valued at $400,000 and obtains a loan for $320,000. What is the loan-to-value ratio? A. 60%, B. 70%, C. 80%, D. 90%. The correct answer is C. 80%. Loan-to-value ratio compares the amount of the loan to the value of the property. In this case, the borrower financed $320,000 of a $400,000 purchase. That represents 80% of the property's value. Question 4. Which of the following best describes amortization? A. Paying interest only during the loan term. B. Gradual repayment of principal and interest over time. C. Increasing loan payments over time. D. Paying off a loan in a single lump sum. The correct answer is B. Gradual repayment of principal and interest over time. Amortization refers to the process of paying down a loan through scheduled payments that include both principal and interest. Early in the loan term, a larger portion of the payment goes toward interest. Over time, more of the payment reduces the principal balance. Question 5. If a borrower fails to make loan payments and the lender forces the sale of the property to recover the debt, what process is being used? A. Escheat, B. Foreclosure, C. Eminent domain, D. Subordination. The correct answer is B. Foreclosure. Foreclosure is the legal process lenders use to recover a loan balance when a borrower defaults. In Arizona, foreclosure commonly occurs through a trustee's sale, which is associated with deeds of trust. Exam strategy tip. When you see financing questions on the exam, identify 3 things immediately. Who is the borrower? Who is the lender? And what security instrument is being used? Recognizing those roles quickly will eliminate many incorrect answer choices. In Part 3, we'll cover memory tools, exam traps, and strategies that will help you answer financing questions faster and more confidently. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.